Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Starbucks Corporation, detailed guide step by step clearly. To invest in Starbucks Corporation, start by conducting thorough research on the company. Visit Starbucks' official website to understand its business model, mission, and values. Read recent news articles to stay updated on the company's performance and market trends. Analyze Starbucks' financial statements, which include the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. Look for key metrics such as earnings per share, revenue growth, and profit margins. Examine Starbucks' competitive position in the coffee industry and its market share. Consider its expansion plans and potential for future growth in both domestic and international markets. Decide on your investment strategy, whether you want to invest for the short term or the long term. Choose a brokerage platform that suits your investment needs and preferences. Open an account with your selected brokerage and complete the required verification process. Fund your account by linking your bank account or using another funding method provided by the brokerage. Search for Starbucks Corporation using its ticker symbol, which is SBUX. Review the current share price and recent performance trends before making your decision. Select the number of shares you want to purchase based on your investment budget. Place a market order for immediate purchase or a limit order to buy at a specific price. Confirm the transaction and keep track of your investment performance regularly. Stay informed about Starbucks by following updates, earnings reports, and market conditions. Consider diversifying your portfolio to mitigate risks associated with investing in a single stock. Evaluate your investment periodically to decide whether to hold, sell, or buy more shares. Remember that investing can involve risks, so maintain a long-term perspective. Make use of financial tools and resources provided by your brokerage to enhance your investment strategy. Consult with a financial advisor if you have questions or concerns about your investment choices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.